Next up, we've got Borys Vorobyov with SightPower to talk about his digital mine solution.
Dear MineTM members, dear visitors, my name is Borys Vorobyov. I am CEO and co-founder of SightPower, and I am pleased to present today SightPower digital technologies. SightPower is a private company. We're in business for 14 years. We have 3 offices, headquartered in Canada, and have 2 offices in Johannesburg, South Africa, and Kharkiv, Ukraine. Our technology has been acquired and used by leading engineering and mining companies across the globe. I would like to mention names like De Beers, Autodesk, Mosaic, like an examples. We own 2 trademarks, Digital Mine for our know-how technology, how to actually implement digital transformation of mining companies. And Mine Advisor, it's a trademark for our platform, which actually helps us to implement this digital transformation. We consider ourselves an experts, not consider, we are an experts in big spatial data processing and analytics. Actually, just in very short terms, what we do. Mining industry is facing data revolution. So data is coming from software, from hardware, from exploration stage, from any pieces. And usually this data is kind of, somebody says, very bubbled. We use usually the word domains. So people exchange data within certain domains, but inter-exchange between this domain, inter-exchange of data becomes very difficult. So what we do, we combine together these 4 domains. You see it's engineering domains, and of course, first of all, it's ERP domains, it's enterprise resource planning domain, then engineering, operational, and monitoring, all data that comes in real time. We put these domains, actually connect these domains, and we create a unified informational space where pieces of software, hardware, or whatever, things, analytics, whatever is going within these bubbles, within these domains, this data can be actually delivered to any of these domains. So this unified informational space is exactly what we do when we build our digital mine solution. In order to do that, we develop the platform, we call it Mine Advisor. And actually this platform is even not only for mining, but we'll focus today on mining. So on this platform we build vertical applications, and digital mine is one of these applications, by the way. So it's actually creating a digital twin of a mine site, of the whole mine enterprise, yeah? And then it could be other applications, and since other verticals, and since today we don't have a lot of time, I will just mention only 4 of them, but it's much more than 4 of them. But we will go only with 4 applications, 4 vertical applications today. And I would like to start from the integrated hardware software AI-based analytical system for automated mine inspection supported by Mica. So this vertical has 3 pillars, 3 main pillars. First of all, it's laser-based, so it's the hardware piece that actually has laser and usually IMU system, inertial measurement unit system, in order to just define the position of the unit within the mine shaft. It's, of course, digital twinning of a mine shaft. This is absolutely critical and important thing that differentiates our solution from any other solutions. It's a very important thing. So we build digital, first we start from the build digital twin. And first, very important, the very end of this list you see in front of you, it's tailored inspection devices. So we are not suggesting the same device for different and various mine shafts. You see, this is the simulation model. So what we do, we create digital twin of a mine shaft, and we simulate with certain combination of device parameters how it will cover the mine shaft. So you see how different this upper and lower images, how different coverage is, and of course it influences cost. So we try to deliver to the customer the optimal solution with optimal cost for the customer. If we summarize what we did for this vertical, so we resolve 3 principal problems of conventional mine shaft inspection: safety, we remove people from the mine shaft, profitability, we reduce time of inspection and reliability. Of course, the quality of report, it's much higher than if you go with visual inspection. SightPower offers ready-to-go solution. We are happy to actually work with any of the customers and to suggest them our help in building this system and implementing the system on my side. Now we have holding negotiations in South Africa, very successful. Unfortunately, in Canada, it's a bit slowing down. Hopefully, we will get through. Second application, second vertical, very different. It's mobile interactive system for supporting underground miners. So this application gives an opportunity for underground miners to know where the equipment is, where the workers like other miners are, where the exits in case of emergency are. So all the information at this moment, real-time data that miner having this application on his phone, miner can get immediately all these responses, what is going on at the mine site. By the way, I would like to mention that everything, all movies you see at the screen, it's not the generated movies. It's just taken from our software. So we just write in software, we are just recording these movies. This is real software. This is how the software works. Just to be clear, this application is just an example, yeah? This is actually, and what is very important, this is, I believe, the only existing application that is getting connected to a digital twin of a mine. So whatever happens with the mine will be immediately reflected to the data model, and so miners will always deal with up-to-date mine structure. The third vertical I would like to mention is just open pit planner, AI-driven micro-planning system for open pit mines. So this is, you see this picture, this is actually one of our clients. We implemented the control of Venka fleet management system at this site, but the point is that we are collecting data that came in real time, optimizing for each particular shift what they have to do and what they're supposed to do. It's quite different for open pit and for underground mine, because for open pit, usually pillars, very important parameters to optimize the sequence of blocks. For instance, they have to process its location of stockpiles, its exit location, and so on and so forth. And if you go to the next slide for underground mine, it's the availability of equipment, the capacity of equipment, the concentration of ore, and very important parameters, capacity of mine shaft. So how much ore mine shaft can deliver to the surface. So independently of parameters we optimize, they use very special so-called genetic algorithms, AI-based genetic algorithms, which allow the miners get optimal shift-based plan. This is absolutely differentiating our offering from our competitors, because usually they speak about monthly planning or weekly planning. That's the best. The very last I would like to mention, very different again. It's simulation and control of underground mine flooding. So we took part in a few disaster situation of mine floodings. You know, some mines have this risks, especially indissoluble mines, indissoluble rocks like uranium or potash, for instance. Yeah. So using our experience, we developed application that gives you an opportunity just to simulate process or to make it controllable. But sometimes it could be flooding, controlled flooding for closing. Yeah. So both can be covered, and also special freezing algorithms that help one to prevent flooding at the early stage. So this is the very last slide. So actually, we wouldn't be able to develop all these vertical applications without having this digital mine concept as a base. So what is very important to understand? The economy of digital transformation gives you transparency in business processes. I am not the first to speak about transparency today. Effective operational management and higher quality of business decision. And of course, it's safety and improved very fast ROI. So we are looking for partners, we are looking for customers, for clients. We are happy to start implementation tonight. So please just call us and ask questions, and we are happy just to help you in your digital transformation journey. Thank you very much for your attention.